Hi friends, welcome to Smile Nursing tutorial. Today we are going to see the biomedical waste management. What is biomedical waste management and why it is important? First, biomedical waste is waste that is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of human beings. Actually, there is a great evidence that viruses causing infections such as hepatitis B and HIV. So, these viruses are transmitted to the healthcare waste. These viruses can be transmitted through injuries from needles that are contaminated with human blood. So, for that purpose, we have to manage the biomedical waste. Next, the purpose of waste disposal is we have to prevent the spread of infection to the hospital personnel who is going to handle. Okay, prevent the spread of infection to the local community. Next, protect those who handle waste from accidental injury. Next, there are 4 steps of waste disposal. First is segregation, second is collection and storage, third is transportation, fourth is treatment and disposal. First, coming to the segregation, always segregate waste into infectious and non-infectious waste at the source of generation. In this, segregate infectious waste into sharps, non-sharps, anatomical waste and non-infectious waste such as waste similar to household waste including packing material, cartoons, fruits, vegetable peels, syringes, needle wrappers and medicine covers should be disposed of in the black plastic bin. Now we are going to see which waste should be thrown in which color code bin. Okay, in the red bin, all plastic waste, cut all plastics before dropping in this bin. In this red bin, we are going to throw aprons, blood bags, catheters, dialysis kits, disposable syringes, drains, gloves, IV tubes, stents, urine bags and other tubings. Next, coming to the yellow dustbin. In this bin, we are going to use for anatomical, pathological and soil waste. So, in this dustbin, pathological surgical waste, body parts, histopathology specimens, human tissues, microbiology, biotechnology waste, organs, plaster casts, bandages, dressings, mops, sanitary pads, solid waste, swabs or item contaminated with blood. Next, coming to the green or black bin. So, this should be used for general waste. Biscuits packets, buckets, cans, disposable glasses, disposable plates, kitchen waste, leftover food, paper, plastic bags, wrapping materials that should be thrown in the black or green dustbin. Next, collection and storage. Always collect the waste in covered bins. Fill the bin up to 3/4 level. Next, clean the bin regularly with soap and water. Third one is transportation. So, when carrying waste from the source of generation to the site of final disposal, always carry it in closed containers and used dedicated waste collection bins for transporting waste. Final is treatment and disposal. Always we have to disinfect and waste before it is going to disposal. Next, anatomical waste is to be buried deep at the SC. Syringes are to be cut with a hub cutter and chemically disinfected at the source of generation before they are finally disposed in the Sharps pit located at the PHC. Next, coming to the white color, that is puncture proof container. In this we are going to keep sharps like needles, blades, broken ampoules and slides should be keep in the puncture proof container. Hello friends, please notice that while uploading this video, this white color code bin is missed. That's why it is attached finally. Thank you for watching this video. Next we will meet with another video. Until then, bye.